In this video, we'll be reviewing linking two smart switches in a multiway. We'll be going over the entire process step by step. If you're watching this while preparing to link two smart switches in your own home, feel free to pause the video at any time to ensure that you have the time to properly complete the linking process. Before I begin, I'm going to turn on and off each switch to confirm that they all control the same lights. Step 1. Remove each original switch from its backplate. Pull from the corner of the faceplate, peeling it away from the wall. Then, press on the switch while pulling the blue tab until you hear a click. Finally, pull the switch out of the backplate. Step 2. Plug in your first smart switch. Press and hold the switch and then push in the blue tab. Watch at least 5 seconds to see if the configure button flashes green. If it doesn't flash green, remove the switch and install it in the next backplate. Repeat this process until you find the spot where it flashes green. Place the first smart switch into configure mode by holding down the configure button until it begins to flash purple. Once the switch is in configure mode, you can install the next smart switch and hold down the configure button until it begins to flash purple also. Once both switches are in configure mode, you can continue on to the next step, which is linking your smart switches. Hold down the configure button on any of the smart switches until it begins to flash white. Once the LED on the configure button you are pressing down starts flashing white, the other smart switch's configure button will also begin to flash white. This means they are beginning the linking process. Eventually, they will all turn solid white briefly and leave the light on. This is an indication that the process is complete. It will take approximately 45 seconds to 1 minute to complete this process. The next step is to pair the smart switches to the Deako app. Watch our video on pairing smart switches to the Deako app for instructions on this process. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to support@deako.com. Thanks for watching.